Yay! Yay, y'all! It's raining! Oh yeah! That's what we wanted, y'all. We wanted rain so badly. Yep. That's right, y'all. Look at this. Rain dripping. Goodbye to the haze. Yes. Fine. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your homie Rap God Fantasy here. Happy Friday, you guys. You can't believe it. Look at that, y'all. We finally got the rain. We got rain finally, y'all. Yes. It's been a month since it last rained, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. We got rain, y'all. I know y'all are getting tired of the smoke, but at least it takes like many hours for the haze to go away, but we want the rain to do its job, y'all. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm happy that the rain's back, y'all. And hopefully it will get rid of this bad air. You know what I mean, y'all? We can't have that haze stick around for a long time, you know? Not this time. Not this time. So, anyway, you guys. Oh, we can be able to breathe again after that crazy week of haze and smoke. Oh, yeah. Y'all know where I go. Hey, what's up, y'all? Sorry, my battery died that past Friday, so sorry for the delay, y'all. But I'm glad it rained, y'all. And I'm telling you, without the rain, we will have a poor air quality all week and all month. Without rain, how are we gonna breathe, y'all? How are we gonna breathe? So anyway, y'all, yeah. I'm glad it rained Saturday and it rained earlier today. It's Sunday. So yeah, guys, I'm glad we had the rain back. Hopefully they'll stop destroying those wildfires, because we have no time to have another poor air quality, I'm telling you. And that will lead me to stay inside. So anyway, y'all, that's all I'm gonna say, and thank y'all for watching this video. If you want to see more of my stuff, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see more of my stuff and more music. And also, speaking of which, my new songs will be dropping this week. Don't Be a Karen and Little Icon that Chadwick Boseman died of cancer of. And also, we lost one of our bravest heroes from the Supreme Court, Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, died of cancer, died at age 87. I don't know what she died of, but this is terrible, y'all. This is really terrible. I'm worried about women I care of. Whatever they make the decisions on the women, you let women make their own decisions. So we need to do something about that. So I'm writing a tribute song about her death and how brave she is of keeping us safe and keeping the women safe. So, yeah. Y'all have a fantastic day. Enjoy the sun. Enjoy this fresh air quality that we have. And remember, y'all, be yourself. Be inspired. Be respectful. Wash your hands. And keep protesting. Sorry, it's the batteries. Peace. Much love. Love y'all. And take care.